problem. So this problem gives you some information. Sometimes I organize information in a way that's easy to see. So organizing information, what does the problem tell you? Word problems are usually organized in the same fashion every single time. Okay? So to do this, you're given a number here. You're given a number here. Okay, these things are what are called the things you have in the problem. So we have 10 grams of salt. We have 0.50 liters of water. The next thing we can do is label what these are. Liters is a measurement of volume, so I can put that as my volume. 10 grams is a measurement of mass. I can put that as my M. M standing for mass. Then I look at the problem. It says, what is the molarity? So what we want to determine is the molarity. So that's what I want to find out in the end, is the molarity. Now, one thing we know about molarity is we know there's an equation for molarity. The equation for molarity is moles divided by liters. If you like symbols, you can put it like that if you want. That's fine. Now, the great thing about this is I look at what I have. Molarity is moles per liter. I've got volume. Check. Do I have moles? Not yet. So this is what we don't have yet. We don't have moles yet. So what do we have, though? We have volume. Very good. And what else do we have here? Mass in grams. So what we're going to want to do is take the mass and convert it into moles, and then we can divide by the volume. So we take our 10 grams. We want to convert it into moles. We take the molar mass of NaCl, which is the Na plus the Cl, which gives us 58.44 grams in 1 mole. Then we can cross multiply. X equals 10 grams divided by the 58.44. And this equals what value? Point what? 1711. Very good. And that's the amount of moles. Now to find molarity, I check. Is moles and molarity the same thing? No, moles and molarity are definitely not the same thing. They will never be the same thing, even though they sound similar. So we've got moles. We want molarity. What do we have to divide that by? The 0.50 liters. So we take that, divide it by the liters, and then we get 0.342 molar. And that should be our answer. Okay. Any questions, clarifications on how to approach this problem, what steps to do, or any numbers I made up in my head that you want to know what they are? Or that you just saw? You're like, where'd that come from? Where's this from? Questions, clarifications?
That says 0.1711, right?
Correct. That's what somebody told me was the answer. If they're wrong, then I double check that to make sure. I believe somebody else's calculation. Yeah?
Why do you use N for moles?
N is used for moles because N stands for number. N usually stands for the number of something. So N